Hello guys, thank you for clicking on this video. Today I'm going to go on office.com and show you how PowerPoint is used online. So this is PowerPoint. Again, you can select different types of presentations, templates, like you would on the desktop app. You can go on more themes, it'll show you more themes. So let's click on one of them. Gallery. This brings up PowerPoint as it would on your desktop. Again, like so compared to the desktop app, there's there's a few options that you won't be, a few things you can't do compared to the desktop app. But it's pretty much overall about, I would say, 70 to 80%, 70 to 90% the same. You know what I'm saying? As it would be on your desktop. You can pretty much do everything that you can on your desktop, except for a few things, and probably perhaps the layout is different of the application itself. But again, you can select any option from here, from home, insert. You can add images, tables, shapes, icons, text boxes. You know what I'm saying? You can design it any way you want it to. You can change designs of this. You know what I'm saying? There's so many things you can do. Create your slideshows, animation. You can add animation in there. There's a lot you can do. Saying online as well. Okay, with PowerPoint. Again, you can set up your slideshows. You can rehearse with a coach. And so, like, check your slides for spelling mistakes. You can show comments, and you can go and fit to window, and it'll fit to window, and add notes, zoom in, zoom out. I'm saying again, over here you can select new templates. I'm saying, info. You can go back to see the previous version if the window closes. Abruptly say closes, and you have the different save as options over here, print options and share options. Then yeah, so this was another video on office.com. Thank you for watching. Thank you, bye.